Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make an image or a logo or a picture black and white in your apps or app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. So guys, option number one would be, of course, to insert an image that is already black and white. For example, if you have edited it through an image editor or photo editor. But you can do this also through a built-in styles editor here on Retool as well. So what you want to do is navigate to your page in the app editor on Retool, select the page here, and after that navigate to the image. So if you don't know how to insert an image, guys, click into that plus component button in the top left, and here what you want to do is either click into the images button under commonly used, or you scroll down to the image input here under presentations. You may insert a circular image, image grid, or standard image like that. But this will only add a placeholder image like this. So if you'd like to insert your custom image, you will need to click into the placeholder image, and here in the image properties, switch from URL image source to storage and upload your image by clicking into that upload button here. Just make sure that your image doesn't exceed the maximum file size of 40 MB. So I will go with that example channel icon here. So what you want to do is left click into it, and here in the image properties, scroll down to the appearance, and here under styles you will see that small plus button. Click into it, and here select grayscale. And here what you want to do is click into the current value, which is 0%. So let's make it, for instance, 75%, and then you will see the effect here. Or you may go so for example 100%, like this, and that is a grayscale of black and white photo. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.